Inventory management is the systematic approach to planning, controlling, and optimizing the inventory of a company to ensure materials and finished goods are available to meet demand without creating unnecessary excess. Every business relies on inventory to operate smoothly. From raw materials used in production to finished products ready for customers, inventory plays a vital role in keeping operations running. The goal of inventory management is to ensure product availability while avoiding unnecessary excess inventory.
Organizations must carefully decide how much inventory to hold because too little inventory can lead to stockouts and lost sales, while too much inventory increases storage costs and ties up capital.
Because demand and lead times are rarely perfectly predictable, businesses must account for variability and uncertainty when planning inventory levels. Companies use data, forecasting, and inventory management tools to determine how much inventory to keep and when it should be replenished. Holding inventory can provide benefits such as improving product availability, supporting better customer service, enabling bulk purchasing advantages, and improving transportation efficiency. At the same time, maintaining large amounts of inventory can create challenges, including higher storage and handling costs, product damage or obsolescence, and reduced liquidity due to capital tied up in stock. Tools such as cycle stock, safety stock, and reorder points provide practical guidelines for maintaining appropriate inventory levels. Effective inventory management helps ensure the right products are available at the right time without creating unnecessary excess.